Devvan, God's own forest, is a picturesque location near Chakrata town in Dehradun. Surrounded by majestic pristine forest of Devdar trees, Devvan creates a natural habitat for cryptogamic species. Spanning over an area of 3 acres and at an altitude of 9,000 feet, India's first cryptogamic garden has been established in Devvan. This site was selected due to non-existent pollution levels and moist conditions which are conducive for the growth of these species. This garden has been developed by the research wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department to make masses aware about importance of cryptogams and to promote and conserve these species. A cryptogam is a plant or plant-like organism that reproduces by spores without flower or seeds. The word cryptogams is made up of 2 Greek words, cryptos, which means hidden, and gamos, which means marriage. This collectively means group of plants whose means of reproduction was hidden and in fact not known for a long period of time. These non-seed-bearing plants include algae, bryophytes, which include mosses, liverworts and hornworts, pteridophytes, which include ferns and allied species, fungus and lichens. They are the oldest group of plant species existing since Jurassic era. The cryptogamic species play a vital role in the ecosystem. They are also vital for survival of an entire group of micro and macrofauna. This cryptogamic garden houses around 100 different cryptogamic species. Throughout history, humans have used lichens for a variety of purposes. It represents a symbiotic relationship between 2 organisms, algae and fungi. They are pioneer colonizers of bare rocks and help in soil formation by process of weathering. They are one of the most suitable bioindicators of pollution. Lichen provides habitat, food and shelter for a whole array of organisms. They are also used in traditional medicines by cultures across the world. Lichen is a key ingredient in some of the most celebrated dishes like Hyderabadi biryani and Galati kebabs, without which the flavor is incomplete. Lichens are also used to determine the age of exposed rocks. Cryptogamic garden also houses many species of ferns like lingura, hansraj, carrot fern, and ribbon fern. They are known for their ornamental values. They indicate moisture regime of an area and accumulate heavy metals that are toxic for other plants and thus can be used to clean mineral-rich soil and groundwater. Lingura is probably the most popular edible fern. Hansraj, a medical fern, is an important ingredient in Ayurveda as well as the Tibetan system of medicine. Bryophytes, which include mosses, liverworts and hornworts, are also pioneer species which bind soil particles and prevent soil erosion. Mosses have a high water retention capacity, which makes them an excellent packaging material. Apart from that, mosses also have antimicrobial, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Sphagnum moss was used for dressing wounds of soldiers during World War I. Fungi perform a number of essential functions in forest ecosystems and are an important forest resource. They are major drivers of soil health, carbon sequestration, and play an important role in decomposition of dead and decaying organic matter. Fungi, as food, play a role in human nutrition in the form of mushrooms and also as agents of fermentation in the production of bread, cheese, alcoholic beverages, and numerous other food preparations. They are also used in the production of many important drugs. comprises of most primitive organisms. They are predominantly aquatic, both in marine as well as freshwater habitats. Many of algae are rich in protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have been used as a food ingredient in several countries. It also acts as a good biofertilizer and has medicinal properties. Cryptogams play a central role in the formation and stabilization of soil, decomposition of dead organic material, and nutrient cycling. Conservation of these species is beneficial to human race in many ways. India's first cryptogamic garden will bring back the thought of humanity's love for nature.